These amazing study notes were generated using AI in seconds. So without wasting any time, let's see how you can create notes like these for free. The process is very simple and consists of two main steps. First, open Google Gemini. At this stage, we need to provide the right information so the AI understands what kind of notes we want. To do that, you can select the thinking mode and tell Gemini to provide detailed information on a topic of your choice. Run the prompt shown on your screen. In this prompt, make sure you replace the text inside the brackets with your own details. This should include the topic you want to visualize and the target audience for the notes. The audience is important because it controls how detailed and complex the final explanation will be. If you want even better and more accurate results, you can upload your own material before running the prompt. For example, you can upload a PDF file or any document that contains the information you want to study. When Gemini analyzes that file and then processes your prompt, the final output will include the exact content you provided, making the notes far more useful. Once Gemini generates the explanation, we move on to the second step. This is where the real transformation happens. We will convert the generated text into handwritten style study notes. To do this, stay in the same conversation and enable Gemini's image generation feature. After that, run the second prompt shown on your screen. You will find these prompts in the description below. In this prompt, we are essentially asking Gemini to create an infographic designed like handwritten notes on notebook paper. The layout uses a 9:16 aspect ratio and a hand-drawn style, and it is based entirely on the information Gemini just generated. Once you run the prompt, wait a few seconds for the image generation process to complete. And there you have it. The result looks clean, organized, and surprisingly accurate considering how quickly it was created. If you notice something you want to change, you can simply ask Gemini to refine it. If you want to prepare your notes by watching a YouTube video, you can simply copy the link of the video, paste it in Gemini, and run a similar prompt asking to summarize the video. Once the summary is ready, enter the second prompt, and you can make changes to the prompt if you like. For this one, I want to have a horizontal page, so I will change the aspect ratio in the prompt from 9:16 to 16:9. This will generate notes that fit better in landscape presentations or slides. Run the prompt, wait a few seconds, and you'll get amazing study notes like before. The only difference is that these were created from a video. So, this was how you can make amazing study notes using Google Gemini. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using AI, then you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.